Well, back in the field again after the rain. Back on oats here on Southwest 28th. It's a little bit early in the morning for when I normally start. 10 o'clock I got rolling here, and the straw was terribly tough. It's still not great. Yesterday afternoon about 5 it was going through pretty nice. Sample tested 13.6, which is close enough to dry. I guess it's coming up in the hopper. Should finish this field today if all goes well. Gravel trucks are running. Looks like he's driving on water almost. Finished up the oats, heading home to change to the straight cutting header, hopefully to head back and do some wheat. Gotta get my hand back on the hydro lever. It seems to be slipping back for some reason. Anyway, 4 o'clock Wednesday afternoon. Well, heading out for another day's work. With a little luck, I should finish straight cutting this wheat over here. Looking like a good day. Strong southeast wind blowing. Temperature's supposed to get up in the teens. Yeah, we got lots of water and lots of scenery here. This is the oat stubble I'm driving across right now. A little shortcut to get to the wheat field. Wheat standing over there, just across the line. Bulrush is growing in areas that were too wet to seed.